understand you're a mass of energy and you do function on frequencies. Just like your phone functions on a frequency. You function on frequency. Let those lines represent levels of vibration. A frequency is a level of vibration. There is an infinite number of frequencies. You are on a frequency. Law of vibration decrees that everything moves, nothing rests. Everything moves. We literally live in an ocean of motion, no question about it.
See, every frequency, it's like the colors of a rainbow. As they fit together, there's no place where one color stops and the other starts. They're all joined together. Now, you're never going to see that with something you call sight. Sight is a physical sensory factor.
This table vibrates.
It appears to be solid, but it's really not. If you look under a microscope, you'll see particles of energy moving.
It's moving, now it appears to be still. It isn't still. It's moving so fast it appears to be still. Let's understand, frequency is a level of vibration.
If nothing's created or destroyed, you've got to get on the same frequency as the good that you desire is on. There's music in this room right now. You don't hear it, but it's here. If I brought in a little transistorized radio and turned it on, you'd hear the music.
There's music in this room right now. There's all kinds of different music in this room right now. We don't hear it, but it's here.
And all I have to do is change the dial and I get different music. And change it again, I get different music. And what am I doing? I'm tuning in on different frequencies. And as you get the image and get involved, you alter the frequency you're on. Therefore, you attract whatever's on that frequency.
You can go like that onto a higher frequency. But you can also go like that onto a lower frequency. Then some people do that. Everything is hooked together. There is no line of demarcation where one thing stops and another starts. Everything, we're all connected. I don't care the color of your skin. I don't care what your gender is. I don't care what your political aspirations or desires or likes and dislikes are. I don't care how tall you are. I don't care what gender. None of this stuff matters. We are all hooked together. You're dealing with infinite. No beginning, no end. Get it in your head. You are a creative being. No limit to what you can do. I hope you enjoyed this video. We put a lot of good information up here, and it causes everything in your life to get better. If you'd like us to notify you every time we put a new video up, hit subscribe and then turn on notification. Check out all our videos, and we will notify you when we put a new one up.